Hello everyone! Thank you for visiting my channel. Today's dish is a Hawaiian favorite, Loco Moco. After watching this video, please consider clicking like and subscribe at the bottom. That's what you need for this recipe. I use already mixed pork and beef mince from Woolworths, or you can use any minced meat. Let's start. Add 3 tablespoons of milk to some chopped bread. Chop the bread like this. Mix well. Put 1 tablespoon of oil into a fry pan. Turn on heat to mid and saute the onion until soft. Chop the onion this way. Put 250 grams of mince in a bowl. Add the bread mixture and the onion. Also 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/8 teaspoon of pepper and egg, then mix well. Put 1 tablespoon of oil, turn the heat to mid. Take 1 portion of minced meat and toss from one hand to the other repeatedly about 5 to 6 times to release any air inside. Cook the patty until brown color. Turn them over and cook the other side until brown as well. Cover with a lid and cook through. Remove the patty and make the gravy now. Add 35 grams of butter, 85 grams of beef stock, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, then stir well. Put the patty back in the gravy, cover them with the gravy. Now the serving. Making poached egg. 1 tablespoon of vinegar in boiled water. Before adding the egg, stir the boiling water. Remove the poached egg from boiling water. In a bowl, add the cooked rice, lettuce, broccoli. Put the hamburg on the rice, cover with the gravy, then top with the poached egg and done. It's easy to make, delicious and filling. Thank you for watching. See you next time.